I've been doing yoga for 2 years, and to be honest, I didn't enjoy it that much because I thought, I was not that flexible. It was getting a little bit bored.
I find myself being someone who's very energetic, always ADD and always like at an agitated state. And I actually had resistance to starting yoga at the first because it seemed to be very slow.
I used to wake up every morning feeling really sick, so a lot of pain throughout my body.
I've always been in athletics or sports. It's what separates like the really, really amazing performers from those who are just good at it are not like the big details. It's really the tiny last 5% of what you can do or push through that makes people like winners.
I've gone on and off, like in different periods of my life. I've gotten really into it or I've just lost the habit. But recently I've committed to it again because I'm really craving that sense of calm it brings you.
You're slowing down, you're following a flow, you're getting into a pose, and that's all that matters.
You get to see and come to terms with who you are in the rawest form possible. Like your insecurities, your weaknesses, your fears, your strengths. All of this comes into play with every single pose that you do.
I find that yoga, because I suffer from a few things like fibromyalgia, is probably one of the afflictions that yoga helps me with the most. Now I'm basically pain-free.
Yoga helps me to reduce the space between, the person I am today and the person that I aim to become.
It's almost like slowing down to pick up speed. And so it's this routine that I have, which I get very present, and it's almost like a meditation for me.
I find when I bring myself down to the mat and down to earth physically, it also mentally brings my mindset from like up in the sky, like back to reality.
If I could summarize my practice and the way I feel about yoga in one word, that would be fulfillment.
In one word, I would summarize it as healing.
Being very present in every action that I do.
I would say the feeling of being grounded.
Yoga to me is like the mirror of truth that you cannot lie to. It just shows you who you are in your purest form.